it's Misty here from the TheJollyFatElf. Happy Thursday. Today is April 29th, 2021, and today is my birthday. And I thought we would celebrate my birthday with a giveaway. So this will be open internationally, 18 and up. All you'll have to do is be a subscriber here on YouTube. Leave me a comment letting me know when your birthday is, and if you want an extra entry, head over to Instagram, follow me there, come back, leave a separate comment with your username. That way you get 2 entries. I'm so excited, you guys. So I was like, am I going to send something? I decided I'm just going to offer a $50 gift card to the stamping or crafting joint of your choice. That way, if you're international and you have someone local and I can send you a digital gift card, that will work. So this video or this giveaway will be up for 1 full week. So let me check what that date will be. So it's going up on the 29th. So you have until May 6th at 11:59 p.m. Central Time to leave your comment or comments. On Friday or Saturday, I will use a random comment picker, and then I will message you, reply to your comment, to get your contact information. That way we can get you a gift card. So I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with me. It's been a hard 6 or 7 months because of this journey with trying to find a new medication for my rheumatoid arthritis and just being in the most tremendous amount of pain and inflammation for the last 4 or 5 months. I'm really hoping that the infusion that I had yesterday will really improve my quality of life and will allow me to get back to what I love most, and that's crafting. So I'm not sure how long the 2 videos a week will last, but going forward, videos will go live on Monday and Wednesday. I think I mentioned the last time I said it, do Monday, Friday. I think Monday and Wednesday will work a little bit better. And then if I, feel like I have a little extra oomph in my step, then you'll get a video on a Friday. I just want to say thank you again so much for your support. But don't forget to leave your comment. Again, if you follow me over on Instagram, make sure you come back and leave your username in a separate comment. What else do I need to tell you? You have to be subscribed to the channel and tell me your birthday. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you, and good luck. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.